Hi everyone, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. I'm actually saddened to post this message here simply because it's addressing the Accountrepreneurs Forum that was scheduled or is scheduled for April 27th and 28th. This has been something that we've been looking forward to with a great deal of anticipation, seeing each of you and working with you to actually work on your business. This is meant to be a workshop where it's really going to be an opportunity for you to meet your peers, get to see your coaches, and literally implement a number of proven strategies that we've identified over the numerous years that we've been doing this. Well, the forum has obviously been impacted by this pandemic that we're dealing with around the world, and for obvious reasons, I trust everyone can understand our interest in not only being safe and helping do our part to help with social distancing and so forth, but we have been paying attention in the last number of weeks to the directions given by the federal and state government. We're located here in the state of Utah, and as we've been watching their advisories and their direction, it's only obvious that now in the last few days that it's become quite clear that the end of April is no longer going to be a prudent time for us to be gathering as a group to travel and come together. And so for that reason alone, we're needing to postpone the event, and this is my official announcement of the fact that this is being postponed. I will be reaching out to everyone that is officially registered already, but I wanted to let you who are also perhaps considering coming and wanting to come to know that the event has been moved, and we will be doing the event on October 19th and 20th. It will again be a Monday and Tuesday. This is meant to allow you to come in a few days early if you'd like to come in perhaps on a Friday, Saturday, or even that Sunday to come in and take advantage of the local attractions and really take in this wonderful place where we actually live and have our corporate headquarters. But at the same time, join us Monday morning on the 19th for this intensive workshop. We're going to be working on your business, and in that process, in those 2 days, literally give you an action plan that you can implement quite immediately. In fact, ensure that you're going to have the premier accounting firm in your area. So with that in mind, I realize this is an extensive delay, but we felt that it was inappropriate for us to guesstimate and hope that we can maybe move it to as early as May or June. I think it's only prudent that we put this out and do so in an appropriate way that we can all conveniently rearrange our schedules. So I have been speaking with the hotel, and they are accommodating us. And so if you already have your rooms booked, please reach out to them. You can easily use the same link to rebook your rooms. You can obviously take and use this information to then reach out to your airline and whomever else you've been coordinating your travel arrangements with to make the proper accommodation. So I unfortunately am officially postponing the event, but I do want to point out that between now and then, there are still a number of things that you ought to be doing to work on your business. And as an enrolled person with Universal Accounting Center, I strongly encourage you to take advantage of this time to work on your business by completing those programs, maybe reviewing the programs that you're enrolled in, but also reaching out to your coaches and basically have them help you and mentor you to really leverage this as best you can. We're going to have in the coming weeks and months additional information to complement what we're doing. We're also considering perhaps doing a virtual type program in April to kind of supplement or replace what it is that we have been planning already as part of the agenda for that event. Definitely in no way meant to change what we'll be doing in October, but I think it'll be an appropriate time for you to perhaps sign in and get some additional information that we'll probably be posting in April. So just to give you again a heads up, the event in April, the Accountrepreneurs Forum, is officially postponed to October 19th and 20th. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to answer those. If you've already made travel accommodations and so forth, work on making those changes. And then lastly, just understand this. With Universal Accounting Center, you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So take advantage of this opportunity to reach out to your coaches, re-engage with them, and just always remember, accounting success is universal. Take care and have a great day. Bye, everybody.